Traditionally, UAV teleoperation uses RC controllers. To assist collision avoidance, current methods use haptic joysticks to indicate obstacle directions, but this results in oscillatory movement and control frustrations. We introduce AeroHaptix, a wearable haptic feedback system that uses 32 actuators to communicate obstacle directions. For instance, if there's an obstacle above, the operator could foresee it via shoulder vibrations and respond accordingly. In complex environments, AeroHaptix supports multi-directional feedback by activating multiple actuators simultaneously. We conducted user studies comparing teleoperation performance using an RC controller, a haptic joystick, and our AeroHaptix system. Tasks involve 3 flying directions: forward, right, and upward. Results indicated that our system reduced collisions and input disagreement, ensuring safer UAV operations. When we look at the flight trajectories, force feedback led to oversteering and oscillatory movements, while vibrotactile feedback led to steady movements. Thank you for watching.